Forgotten username recovery failed on Motley Fool Wealth Management app fix. If you've ever tried recovering your username on the Motley Fool Wealth Management app and hit a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by using the wrong email or skipping essential verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right process, you can regain access quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the Motley Fool Wealth Management app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. The app will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often end up there, so don't overlook them. Avoid sending multiple requests at once, as this can temporarily block your account. Step 3. If the registered email is inactive or inaccessible, gather verification details like your full name, recent transactions, subscription plan, or account activity. Contact Motley Fool support directly with this information to expedite the recovery process. Step 4. Once you recover your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security, preventing future login problems. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Motley Fool Wealth Management account without frustration. Proper verification, patience, and secure credential management are essential for keeping your investment portfolio, alerts, and financial insights safe and accessible.